morning, good evening to our Crown Diamond Coach Fernando Santiago, Coach Bert Santiago, Diamond Coach Maria Janet, Canada, ay pilido niya Canada. Ayun siya. And of course, likewise to my upline Platinum, Coach Eden Rose Mendoza, Opada, and all coaches there at Bohol. At sa mga coaches natin tonight, presenter Platinum, Coach Rene Kabuwa, Dubai. Yun, Dubai. Keep safe, everyone. Mabuhay, live good family, live. Affiliates, all members watching from Antipolo City, DMW, Alejandro family. May God bless us all. Thank you very much po. And of course, Ronel M. Gilesanya. Yan, good evening, everyone watching from Imos. Shout out sa team. So my team, Live Good International, go, go, go. All right, and Tina Loriaga, greeting Coach Rene, please shout out sa team. Great blessings, thank you very much. And of course, Pinky Sturgeon, Live Good Morning, Coach Rene, broadcasting you Zoom in my YouTube and live sa YouTube and Samba. And FB ba yun? Hindi ko nakita. FB, yun siya. Thank you po, Coach Pinky. Ayan, sa duplicate ni ni Maria Janet. Ayan. So yan yung mga mga TikTokers and Reels natin. Leaders natin dyan. Alright, so Aileen Deloso, live good evening coach, watching from Tacloban, sabi ni Aileen Deloso. And Dumadag Gina, hi Ma'am Gina, kumusta ka? Live good morning po Coach Rene, live good morning din sa'yo. And Freddy Bombales, good evening morning. And Coach Rene, Coach Fernand watching from Masbate City, to all DMW family, God bless us all. Shout out po to all belong to my team fighter Soaring Eagle. Okay. Huwag niyo naman pahirapan yung mga team ninyo sa pagbabasa ng inyong inyong mga team. Baka mamaya hindi na nila masabi, no? Team Fighters Soaring. Ayan siya. Oh, what happened? May lumabas na whiteboard. Okay. So, sino yung naglabas ng whiteboard? Okay. So, yun siya. What happened? May naglabas ng whiteboard. Tanggalin muna natin yung whiteboard. Ayan. Okay. Welcome back. Good evening po, Coach Rene. Dream Achievers Jonel, yun. Mahirap basahin kasi yung pangalan niya hindi kompleto. Kaya parang bulol. Ganun na siya. Okay, Mary Joy Kuwait. Hi, good evening. Shoutout po sa upline Jasmine, Soliba na lang, pero hindi maganda kasi pakinggan yung Solaiba. Okay. Ng Germany at kay Ma'am Eden Ardales ng Hong Kong at saka kay Coach Ansi Sipon An. And Mindanao from Kuwait. Magandang gabi, Coach Rene. Hi, Coach Rene. Sabi ni Ann Gapasin, Pilipi Calpito. Ayan siya. And of course, Waalaikumsalam, Coach. Sabi ni Ray Obeas. Okay, ayan. And Coach Fernand, good evening, Coach Rene. And sa lahat natin, this God is good. Ayan, Coach Fernand Santiago. And follow the leader. Follow the leader talaga. Sabi ni Pinky Sturgeon. Okay? Ayan. And of course, si Maluz. Okay, si Maluz. Hello, Coach. Live good morning po. Watching from Manila. Shoutout po sa team Zion's Empire under by Platinum Coach Renz Mark Presente. May pasaway ata. Yeah, medyo mga galit yata yung mga yan. Yung mga pasaway. Ginagamit yung mukhang magpe-present ng ibang company. Kaso, wag na lang. Kawawa naman. Anyhow, block ninyo. Baka mag-drawing na naman yan. Hayaan nyo lang po yung mga mag-drawing dyan kasi drawing lang talaga sila. Kaya lang natin. Good evening po, Coach Rene. Live good evening po. Watching from Doha, Qatar. Ayan siya. Okay, tandaan nyo, no? Drawing. Hayaan nyo na sila mag-drawing. Drawing lang naman talaga eh. Hey, ayan. Hello from Canada. Sabi ng Maria Janet, Canada. Yung mga kamag-anak niyan, lahat ay taga-Canada. Ayan. Ang apelido niya kasi is Canada. Ayan. By the way, para po sa informasyon ng marami, hindi po alam na ako po ay taga-Canada din. Okay? Para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako po ay taga-Canada. Canadian po ako. Yun po siya. I'm strictly Canadian. Pag sinabi ng asawa ko, magsaing Canadian, maglaba Canadian, and magluto Canadian. Right? So, yun lang. Alright! So, before we start ang ating kakulitan, so we're waiting for 100,000 people pa. So, yun siya. Ayan. Ayan. Good boy po yung coach namin, Coach Rene. Yes. Good boy yan talaga. And sana po, good boy po talaga lahat. Yeah. Okay. So, Ano muna tayo? Ang ulit na agad ako kasi simula pa lang eh. Before we start ng kakulitan natin ng ating kakwelahan dito. So, enjoy, relax, and sit tight kayo dyan. Magkakaroon tayo ng magandang presentation ngayon. Of course, na lagi naman nating binibigay ang best natin. And today is payday. Yan. So, yung mga tao nag-aabang ng mga income dyan. So, hindi lang nag-aabang, talagang tinatrabaho kada Thursday yan. And before we start, let's start muna for a quick prayer. Okay lang po ba yan? So, let's all start with blessings muna galing sa ating Panginoon. Okay? So, let's bow down our head and let's have the presence muna ng ating divine creator. Kung sino man yung pinapaniwalaan mo, whatever the religion, it's not a religion, but we have to connect first in everything what we do. Okay? So, let's all bow down our heads. Yes, oh Lord. Hallelujah, Lord. Thank you po for this day, for this morning, for this evening, for each and every one of us. And bigyan mo pa kami ng kalakasan and give us wisdom to this presentation. Ikaw po ang manguna sa aming mga ginagawang hakbang ito. And bigyan mo po kami ng isang sapat na wisdom and bigyan mo din ng open heart at open mind yung mga tao nandito. And guide mo po yung mga leader, mga upline, and lahat po ng mga nagli-lead dito sa business na to. Okay, pangunahan po namin lagi pangunahan mo po palagi ang pagiging positibo at laging masayang pananaw ng business partners namin dito sa opportunity na binibigay mo po. Maraming salamat in Jesus' mighty name. We pray. Amen. Yun. Ayan. Nakasmile na naman kami hanggang matapos yung presentation nyo po. Alright. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Christian Biluan. Amen, amen, amen. Pink Sturgeon Maluz. Anig Gapazin. Each and every one of you, wag po kayo mahiyang mag-comment. No? Ang mga mahihiyain po, hindi yumayaman. Kaya yung mga mahihilig mag-type dyan, actually, yun agad ang yumayaman eh. So, baka marunong kayo mag-type. Type na rin kayo para kayo yumaman, no? Amen po ba doon? Amen, amen. So, yun siya. So, pagka hindi nagta-type, actually, minsan nakikita ni Lord dyan eh, di ba? Minsan sabi ni Lord, ay, hindi naman pala gusto nitong yumaman, so wag na lang, di ba? So, yung iba, nagsipag-type agad. Siyempre, kailangan mo mag-type kasi nakikita ni Lord dyan. Di ba? Ask and it shall be given. So, lahat ng gustong yumaman, please say amen muna. Lahat. Yung ayaw, okay lang. Wala naman magagawa, no? Hintay na lang kayo sa grasya, sa biyaya, kung ano man yung pagkakaloob sa inyo. Okay. So, parang dumami yata yung type dito. Parang dumami, puno ah. Okay. So, talaga kayo, parang puro kayo mga mukhang pera. Kaparehas ko. Okay. So, yun siya. So, guys, enough na. Naman maano na lahat. Naman sabihin ni Lord, sobra na yan ha. Kanina pa ako kanina pang yung late na mag-type, wala na, late na. 5 seconds lang daw yun. So, yung mga hindi pa nagta-type, ulitin ko, yung lahat ng mga gustong yumaman, mag-type na ng amen, mga hahabol pa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala na, huli na kayo. Okay, so start na tayo. Okay, so kulitan lang muna tayo, kulitan blues. So let me introduce to you the presenter for today. I'm only the host. Ito po, papakilala ko na po sa inyo kung sino mag-present, walang iba. Ito rin pong gwapo na to, itong lalaking to, nasa harapan. Okay, so this is Coach Rene. I'm international network marketing expert. This is my 16 years, actually 17 years in network marketing industry. Become a 4 years top number 1 before sa previous network marketing company natin. That was 2013 and 2017. And I'm also an entrepreneur. So, selling a lot of things. No, I'm doing a lot of things actually, guys. So, sobrang hectic talaga ng schedule. Hindi na natin kinakaya. Pero I'm still trying to manage. But, yun nga. I have a lot of things that I'm doing here. So, kaya nga pagka ikaw nakipag-meet up ka sa akin dito, ingat ka, baka pati ikaw maibenta ko. Ano siya. So, I'm also a Live Good Platinum rank. So, I'm OFW, I'm Stocks, Forex, Gold. Actually, nakalimutan ko, and crypto trader as well. I'm a dentistry student. So, sabi nga nila, bakit hindi ka nagtuloy? Kasi from dentistry, naging buntistry. Ganun siya. I'm also a blogger and influencer, but definitely, I'm gonna continue that kasi sobrang ubus na talaga yung oras. Wow, may English apply. Diba? And I'm also the founder of Team Energy. Ayan. Alright. So, yun po. So, this is my profile and tapos na po tayo. Bye-bye. Ang kulit eh, no? Anyhow, hindi ko po ito na-record, so na-record ko muna para may recording tayo ng kakulitan. At least hindi ko na-record yung aking profile. Yun siya.
Recording in
Okay.
progress.
So, yun po, no? So, let me introduce to you the business that I'm going to talk about. Okay, it's not about me, it's all about you, what you're gonna have here, what you will understand here, and what you will benefits out of this company. English na naman yun. Okay, this is Live Good. Okay, so before we start everything, muna, ito po ay unang-una natin sinasabi ito, no? So, kayo po ay huwag maging pasaway kasi po ito ay kumpirmasyon po ito na sa mga disclaimer na kailangan maintindihan mo muna kung ano mga papasukin mo. First, that's siya. The information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice. Hindi po tayo investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. And you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrency. Okay? Live Good is not an investment company. It is illegal for a promoter or a participant in the program to persuade anyone to make a payment promising benefits from getting others to join. Do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easily achieved. In Tagalog, power. Tagalog ba yun? English din yun. Di ba? Well, kayo na po mag-translate niyan. So, i-chat GPT nyo na lang. Okay? So, guys, you must do your own independent research prior to engaging in any kind of business activity, including any activity when you have expectation of specific high results or financial returns. Okay? So, bakit? Medyo tatagalan ko ng konti dito. This is actually being discussed day by day, every day. Okay? Sa inyong kaalaman, kailangan nyo po mag-research po. Kaya po, etong Live Good, kung gusto nyo po i-research to, bago nyo pasukin, bago kayo mag-involve dito, you have to do your own research. And this is the only company, I think, hindi naman ito lang, marami namang company dyan. Pero, marami kasing company na they are not promoting this kind of thing, na yung mga disclaimer na ganito. Kasi, some of them are really promising, they are promising, persuading anyone, and they are promising benefits from, and they're misleading that claims that yung high earnings are talagang easily achieved. Nangyayari yun sa ibang company. Okay? Kapag ganun yung promises, actually, you have to be careful. Kasi, kapag itong activity na pinapakita natin yung high result specific agad, may financial returns ka kaagad. So, investment type na po kasi yan. And basically, government will interfere. And right now, it's happening. So the government will interfere and wala kang magagawa doon. Enough of mind-setting the people that the kind of business na sinasabi natin na okay pa, power pa. Pero actually, you know what's gonna happen next if you will get involved. And actually, I'm very sad to say that there's a company right now who are now involved in this kind of scheme, okay? And they're trying to have some opinion of the leader, so we don't know exactly, and they have a management, but they don't have the management actually. So, ang akin lang, for me, you have to, do your own diligence, guys, no? Wag po yung basta subok na subok, no? And don't ever try to get involved in any company na walang research talaga. Okay, kung opinion lang ng isang tao, dalawang tao para i-mindset kayo para kumita siya, then that's not enough. Okay? There's a lot of way on how to do that. Most of the way is actually some of them like this one na naaalam na rin nila to kasi nakikita nila sa atin and then trying to be legit in this website. But of course, they don't know that you can research in Google and everything. So masa-search mo naman sa Google. And they are trying to prove that meron din silang mga documentation and everything. Well, actually, that's not really enough. Okay? As long as their pretentious will always be pretentious. Ganun lang lagi. Tandaan nyo yan, okay? And whatever they're trying to prove in this kind of system na ganito, lalabas pa rin yung katotohanan. So, please be careful na lang. Okay? Please be careful with my heart. Ganun siya. Alright, so guys, I have to check. Ito nga, may trust score dapat na ganito, 100 over 100. And kung nagagawa din nila yan, so ibig sabihin, they're purchasing, they have the money now, they can do that. Well, actually, it's not enough. It's not enough. Actually, you can also research in business for homes. Okay, that's what I required. So, yung mga tao na nandito, and some of you are part of the company na alam ko naman na na sinasabi ko, pero wala naman, we're not against you guys. We're not against anyone. And actually, I'm praying na maayos ninyo yan kasi yun lang, we don't need to step to the person's ego and anything, but yun nga, we're praising na gawin niyo lang yung tama, yung legit, mas maigi pa. Okay? Pero kung medyo may nangyayaring masama, sana maayos nyo pa. Yun yung prayer natin. So we have to speak blessings pa rin kahit na alam natin na may mga challenges na nangyayari sa ibang mga tao. We don't want to mock you or say something bad about you, but we want to make or educate people. We have to educate people na kung sasali din lang po kayo. Kumbaga, kayo naman tatanungin ko. This is very basic. Layman's term. Kung kayo po ba ay makikipagrelasyon, gusto nyo pa bang pangmatagalan o pangmabilisan lang? Kayo na sumagot. Type 1 sa pangmatagalan at type 2 sa gusto nyo pangmabilisan lang. Diba? Ganun lang yun. So, yung mga gustong pangmabilisan, di bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Diba? Nasa sa inyo na yan. Diba? Alright. So, guys, kayo na ang bahala dyan. Okay? So, babago ako mag-imo-imo dito. Hindi pa tayo nagsisimula. Ang dami ng kakulitan. Okay, mabilis lang naman tayo. Bibilisan ko lang yung presentation for your information. I will give you definitely exactly all what you need to digest lang. Oh, English na naman yun. Grabe. Diba, saan ka nakakita ng ganun? Ang pogi na, Inglesero pa. Diba? Okay, so let's proceed first. Ang dami kong sinasabi. Okay, let me introduce to you the CEO of the company. Ito po hindi AI, tao po ang nagsasalita dito. Totoo po ito, nag-exercise po ito, nag-drive po ito. Ito po yung nakikita natin, nakakausap natin. Okay, so none other than Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet and magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of LiveGood for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of LiveGood, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share LiveGood products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining LiveGood in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling LiveGood the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
See you at the top. Alright, so that is Ben Glinsky. So para sa mga nakikinig po ngayon, so sa first time nyo na siya narinig, well, actually, that is the CEO of the company. Okay, so ano ba itong pag-uusapan natin ngayon? So before I do that, let me read muna yung mga comment section natin dito. So, tuloy share screen mo pa to. Alright. Coach, tuloy po lang share screen. Yes, okay. Alright, so yan. Okay, so officially launched tayo globally December 13, 2022. And LiveGood is a US-based direct sales company focused on wellness and digital service industry. Okay, so guys, para sa information po ninyo, may totoong opisina po ito. Hindi po gawa lang sa USA po. Doon po sa may Jupiter Park sa Florida, USA, not in Pampanga. Kasi meron dyan. So, narinig akong ibang company, nasa ibang address. So, huwag nyo nang i-google yun kasi baka mamaya ibang company ang lumabas. Alright? So, LiveGood is a membership club that pays. Alright? So, para maintindihan ninyo, ano ba itong mga to? So, unlike most home business opportunities, LiveGood is not overpriced products but about saving people's money on health products. Okay, guys, ito pa lang, alam nyo na kaagad na ito yung benepisyo nyo. Okay? So, dito pa lang, kitang-kita nyo na kaagad. So, kung may passion ka for health and wellness, this is definitely for you. And if you have a passion for helping people, marami kang matutulungan dito. And if you're looking for, if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, this business is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but you will get rich later on. Alright? So, ano ba tong company na to? Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Okay? So, para sa mga hindi po nakakaalam pa, mag-download po kayo or mag-search kayo sa inyong Google Chrome. Ito po, hindi ko sinasabi para masabi lang. This is for you. You can search it out, okay? So, Business for Homes po is the area kung saan yung mga company na mga nakapasa sa Direct Selling Association, okay? Yeah, that is international. There's also Direct Selling Association in the Philippines and also in UAE and different part of the world, right? So, you can research any company right there in Business for Homes. Okay, dati, nasa top 5 tayo. Naging top number 2 and then, naging top number 1. Okay po. So, ibig sabihin po, ito ay patotoo lang na tayo ay lumalakas. Okay, so that is the poll that is happening. Tingnan niyo po yung mga company sinasalihan nyo kung nandiyan po sila. Pag wala dyan, isip-isip ka, my friend. Baka mamaya, wala ka naman palang company. Diba? Pinapaikot lang yung pera mo. So, dapat alam mo yun. Okay? So, iba pa rin ang may alam. Okay, so our mission is to help people to get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Guys, ulitin ko. This is the benefits and this is the mission that you need to do. Marami sa atin nakapokus agad sa commission. Kasasali lang, naghihintay agad ng commission. Okay? You have to work on the mission first before you get the commission. Mission versus commission. Ganun siya. Dapat alam mo yan. Okay? So, ito po yung CEO, si Ben Glinsky na pinakita natin, nagsalita kanina. Kasamahan po nila si Lisa Goodkin, si Ryan Goodkin, at saka si Nodric Hasan. Guys, hindi po yan galing sa sa AI lang. Hindi po yan bot. Mga totoong tao po yan. Okay? So, ito po mga tao na to, na sinasabi nila, true leadership creates true success. Guys, makipag-work po kayo sa mga totoong tao. Mahirap po kasi baka mamaya ang kausap ninyo, gawa-gawa lamang or haka-haka lamang. Diba? So, dapat nagiging matalino tayong lahat dito. Right? So, ano ba si Live Good Before? Ito po si Live Good Before. Magsimula tayo sa kukunti mga products pa lang. Katulad po tayo dati ng Amazon, na ang Amazon is nagtitinda lang ng mga libro. Which is actually, nagsimula tayo sa kukunti lang po. No? So, my presentation is not, is not updated. Pero, sabihin ko po sa inyo, pakadami na pong mga magaganda at mga bagong produkto. Nandiyan na po lahat. Okay? So, nagsimula tayo sa mga product na ito na ilang produkto lang talaga. Pero ngayon po, we will be the next Amazon of the network marketing. So, lahat po ng mga kailangan mo later on nandiyan na. Wala lang jowa dyan. No? Bahala ka dun. Diba? So, member save big with the membership model, diba? So, alam naman natin yun, diba? Pero ang Live Good po kasi, the membership that pays, is actually, ibang-iba po yan doon sa binabayaran ninyo na mga YouTube Pro, Netflix, Costco, Amazon Prime, Disney, so many more. Okay? Pero you're paying every month for the benefits. Okay? Here in Live Good po, you are also paying for the benefits. Please take advantage of the benefits. Marami po kasi ang hindi tinitake advantage yung benefits. Ang hinihintay na agad yung commission. Okay? Your benefits is to get, okay? First, to get the very good price and very high quality products na meron tayo dito. That is your benefits here. Okay? And second po, dadating lang tayo, papasok tayo doon sa mayroon tayong tinatawag na membership club that pays. Okay? Yung iba kasi, hindi po talaga naintindihan. Kasi yung umattend nga dito sa presentation, hindi maka-attend, no? So at least, sana kahit isang beses lang. Ang dami pong magagaling na mga presenter dito, no? Ang dami pong magaganda na mga presenter dito, dumami na sila. Diba? Dati isa lang yan. Diba? So ngayon dumadami na. Diba? So yun po, kailangan nyo pong makinig sa mga nagpe-present dito kasi they will present to you properly exactly what is the benefits that you have. Okay? So we have over 40. Ayan na, over 40 na siya. Life-changing products actually. Highest quality product, the purest, most natural ingredients, the most pristine location on the planet, and world-class manufacturing facilities. Okay, lahat po tayo gawa sa US of A. Certified tayo ng GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, and USDA. Okay, lab-tested for purity and potency. 90 days empty bottle money-back guarantee tayo. Ibig sabihin, kapag ikaw ay gumamit ng produkto, hindi mo nagustuhan, after 90 days, inubos mo naman, pwede mo pa install it. Before 90 days pala, wag po after pala. Sorry. Okay? So, may 90 days empty bottle money-back guarantee ka. Okay? Kunwari, ayaw mo talaga. Pero wala lang laman yung bote. Sinuli mo pa. Di ba? Bongga ka. The so products that launched last 2023 is ito. Ayan yung mga yan. So, actually, marami na. Luma na nga po yung slides ko. Ito, nandito na rin yan. Ito, pumasok na rin po yung pambata na yan. And sabihin ko lang sa inyo, certificate of analysis sa lahat ng products natin is nasa sa website po. Kahit hindi ka pa member, makikita mo na kagad. Ganun po tayo open to the public. Bakit? Kasi we are yung tinatawag natin na the company and even the owners of the company are very confident that they can show it to the public kasi they know that they are selling the quality and talagang ibang klaseng produkto to. Hindi ito yung produkto lang na yung iba kasi 'di ba sasabihin nila katulad nito, merong GMP din yan, GMP. Pero actually yung product nila, ang ibig sabihin ng GMP nila, gaw-gaw mga products. 'Di ba? GMP din yun. Pero tayo, good manufacturing practice po yung dadaan po dyan sa ganyan. Alright? So, there's a lot of certification that we do have here. So, ibig sabihin, alam mo kaagad na ang sinalihan mo is naka-focus talaga to sa mga high quality products, sobrang gaganda, sobrang mumura pa. Okay? So now you know exactly what is the benefits that you're having here. So hindi ka nagsusubscribe dito just to become a waiter or waitress. At hindi mo alam na mayroon ka palang ganitong kagandang benefits and neglect mo to. Ang haba nga ng discussion dito sa produkto na to, hindi mo ginagamit. You have to use this, please. Okay? So, ito po talaga. Okay? So, kailangan maintindihan mo, paano yun? Hindi naman ako magbibenta. Ayoko rin gumamit ng products. Then, nawala na nawala na talaga yung totoong mission. The mission is to help you to get healthy. Sino ba dito ang ayaw maging healthy? Meron ba dito yung gusto magkasakit na agad? Sige nga. O, sino dito ang ayaw magkasakit? Lahat ng ayaw magkasakit, syempre, type 1. Type 1, yung ayaw, yung gusto magkasakit, di, huwag ka lang gumamit, di ba? So, kaya nga, yung ayaw magkasakit, type 1. Ganun lang, no? So, yung mga gusto magkasakit, bahala ka. Huwag ka lang mag-type. I'm not praying for that. But, actually, yun po yung benepisyo mo, Yun ang benepisyo mo. Kailangan mong maintindihan that the company are really caring to those people who are involved in this business. Okay? So, you have to take advantage of the benefits. Okay? The benefits is for you to get that kind of products na murang-mura na nga po. Okay? Sobrang gaganda pa. Alright? So, ano ba ang mga dito? Baka wala yung para sa akin. Merong men's health, skincare, immunity, nutrition, body cleansing, weight management, women's health, anti-aging, energy. Ano dito yung wala ka? Panghayop? Hayop ka ba? Meron din. Siya. Pero di naman, di ba? So, ang point, meron po dito pang pet din. May pang din. Hindi po pang jowa mo. Pang jowa mo lang yun, di ba? Pero, ex mo. Di ba? Yun yung mga ganun. Pero, lahat po ng products na kailangan mo nandito na. Okay? So, men's health, women's health, pero pwede rin pang half Filipino, pang half Filipina. Pwede rin. Kahit paano. Kahit ano pang gender mo, walang problema. Diba? So, paano ka order ng products? Well, actually, you can become a member or consumer lang. Kung consumer ka lang, wala namang problema yan. So, retail price, mababa pa rin. So, yung maganda, mababa pa rin. Okay? So, member price, mas mababa nga lang. Yun siya. Okay? So, makakabili ka ng mas mababang presyo dito sa mga miyembro. Kaya nga, may iba pa rin yung benepisyo ng mga miyembro natin. And, ang maganda, available siya over 200 countries. So, 201 yan. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, pwede mo pa-deliver yan kahit sa sulok ng mundo. Okay? And then, magkano naman yung masasave? More than 75% yan actually, in compared to products in other network marketing company. Hindi po siya discount. Yung iba kasi, you can have a discount of 75%. Hindi po. Pag ikinumpara mo yung presyo natin sa other network marketing company, 75% or more pa ang diferensya niya ng presyo. Okay? So, ano ba ang meron kay LiveGood? Bakit ba maganda yan? Because of the price gouging MLM company, okay, dyan po naglipa na talaga yung mga mamahaling produkto na mabibili mo naman pala sa murang halaga. Kasi syempre, kaya naman po yung pinapatungan. Kaya nga po yung produkto niyan is actually, kunwari, bumili ka ng, sabihin natin na multivitamins, okay? Ayaw ko kasi magbigay ng, ng sabon-sabon. Kasi hindi naman tayo sabon-sabon. Anyhow, wala namang problema kung anong products natin. But the thing is, dito po, you can have it in a very low price and maganda. Hindi mo na kailangang masira yung budget mo and hindi na kailangan na nauna ka para lang kumita ka ng malaki. Hindi po ganoon, no? Here is all equal po. Very basic po and ano po. So, yung mga overpriced company before na yun nga, until now naman is still existing. So, we have to pray for them to grow more. Pero, syempre, we are now overtaking those kind of yung talagang higher price value na mga produkto. Kasi marami po talagang mabibili na ngayon ng mga produkto ang mamahal po kasi sabihin natin higher quality, higher price, 'di ba? Pero actually, yun na nga po. Marami na po ngayon na lumalabas na products na magaganda yung quality pero talagang murang-mura lang din. And sa LiveGood, number 1 mong makikita yan. Okay? So, wala na pong ibang company na magbibigay sa'yo ng, ng equivalent na mga presyo na ipapakita natin. Okay? Katulad po nito. Itong essential oils. Okay? So, ito po ay anti-stress yan. No? Ang dami po nagagawang tulong yan. May mga po yan, parang, wala naman tayong therapeutic claims, pero actually, it will remove all the stress, no? So, kung halimbawa, stress ka sa asawa mo, de, ayun lang. Hindi ko alam kung matatanggal na yun. Wala namang problema sa jowa mo. Pero, pag yan inano mo, nilagay mo dun sa vaporizer, ba ang tawag dun, hindi ko alam, then you will really feel refreshed. Ganun siya. Okay? Sa ibang company, you have to pay $252. Sa atin po, $49 lang. Dun pa lang panalo ka na. Okay, collagen peptide. Ayan. Ang ganda po na tong collagen peptide na to kasi it will help your body to regain your youthfulness. Wow, English, 'di ba? So babata ako ulit sa murang halaga. So pag mahal ang halaga, tatanda ka lalo diyan, eh. 'Di ba? So at least mura tayo. Ayan. And of course, yung super greens natin, actually, guys, you can check it by yourself. Kayo po ang mag-check niyan. Sa labas po, makakabili kayo talaga diyan worth 5,000 pesos. Ganun siya sa Pilipinas. But in here, you can only get it like around like $18 is equivalent of maybe 1,000 lang or less than. Hindi ko alam. Pero hindi ko alam ang conversion ngayon. Pero yun po, sobrang mura lang. $18 lang. Sobrang mura po niyan actually. Okay? And then sa mga creatine po ng mga ganyang produkto, well actually, sobrang mura po niyan kung nag-workout kayo. Ang mahal po talaga ng ganyang produkto. And of course, yung mga namamahalan pa rin dyan. But, sino ba dito yung mga let's be honest. Marami ba ang namamahalan pa sa courier? Okay? Sino ba yung mga namamahalan pa sa courier? Ito po libre na, guys, no? So, yung mga namamahalan sa courier, pagka namamahalan pa kayo, baka wala na nagmamahal. Diba? Joke lang. Joke lang. Okay. Okay. Pero to tell you guys, walang courier itong International Wellness Pack na to. I don't know if still available. Hindi ko siya na-check ngayon. Hindi ako nakapag-check kahapon. Pero actually, wala po itong courier charge kahit sa sulok ng mundo. Okay, $89.95 lang. Meron ka lang 5 products. Kanina, yung competitor, $99.99. Okay? Isang product lang. May courier charge pa yun kung bibilin mo. So, sobrang sulit ka dito. Okay? So, doon pa lang, panalo ka lang. Kaya, take advantage nyo na to. Okay? So, hindi po ako promote ng products. I'm just telling you what is the benefits that you're having here. Okay? So, English na naman yun, guys. Sorry about that. Okay? Canadian tayo, Canadian. Mag-sayang Canadian. Okay. So, ito siya. Meron din tayong pang pet. Meron tayong D3. Ang D3 po, hindi po ibig sabihin ito picture mga thunders. Hindi po ibig sabihin pang thunders lang yan. Para po sa lahat yan. Okay? Kasi baka hindi ka na naaarawan, hindi ka na lumalabas. Diba? Lalo na yung nasa Canada dyan, hindi na naaarawan. Diba? So, magpa-araw naman kayo. Pag hindi kayo makapagpa-araw, mag-take kayo ng vitamin D. Ayan. Alright. And also, so coffee. Ayan. So, sa kape natin, ito maganda. Ang kape natin, organic. Weight management pa yan. So, nakaka-sexy yan. Diba? So, may maraming mushroom. Diba? Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng chicharong mushroom. Ganun siya. So, $17.95 lang siya. Alam maganda. Actually, hindi ka magpapalpitate dyan. Kasi, ano lang yan very less lang ang caffeine yan. Alright? And then, of course, meron tayong magnesium na mga pinupulikat dyan. Kailangan nyo ito. Ang mura, Ang mahal po ng magnesium. When I check in the pharmacies here, sa mga nutritional shop dito, sa UAE, napakamahal niyan. It costs like 200 to 300 dirhams. Ganun siya kamahal. So, 'di ba? Wala naman nagmamahal. Ganun. Mamahal nila. Okay. So, meron tayong multivitamins. Okay. Sa ibang company po ng network marketing company, I've seen this one like 300 dirhams. It's like equivalent of almost almost $80, something gano'n sa ibang company. But in our company, only $9.95. So, guys, this is kompleto na. Kompletong-kompleto na yan. So, kailangan nyo po lang maintindihan talaga kung anong benefits na meron kayo dito. Alright? So, this evolution of all businesses that we are talking here kasi ngayon po nag-i-evolve po ang maraming business actually. Okay? Pag sinabing legit business lang ha. Pati po kasi mga mga fly-by-night company nag-i-evolve din So, please, be careful of choosing the right company palagi pa rin. Okay? Sabihin na natin nag-i-evolve pero dapat kailangan mong mapili kung ano yung totoong Okay? So, sabi dito, if you don't evolve, you dissolve, you evolve, or you evaporate. Okay? So, kailangan maintindihan mo yan, guys. Kailangan alam niyo na lahat po ng mga businesses is nag-upgrade. Ikaw din po mag-upgrade ka din. Okay? So, kailangan po, ikaw ay, everyday, may growth palagi sa'yo. Kailangan meron kang nakikita, natututunan ka everyday. Okay? Pag wala nang nangyayari, pag hindi ka na nag-i-improve, pag lagi na lang wala, hintay ka na lang ng hintay, baka mamaya, sabihin sa'yo ni Lord, wala ka nang ginagawa. Sabi sa'yo ni Lord, baka gusto mo, sumama ka na sa Kanya. Diba? Kaya kailangan improve pa ha. Dapat kayo ay laging nag-grow. Ganun siya. Okay, so ano ba ang company natin? Ano ba ang source ng income na meron dito? Well, actually, kaya po mura, kaya po ang dami niyang benepisyo kasi this is a subscription company. And let me explain to you exactly why subscription company is really good. Actually, marami na po ang mga company ngayon na nakasubscribe, subscription na po yung kanilang industry. At hindi po natin namamalayan, ginagawa na po natin to from the stage na nagre-renta ka ng bahay, nagbabayad ka ng kuryente, nagbabayad ka ng internet mo, lahat po yan subscription kasi monthly mo yan binabayaran eh. Unless nabili mo na yung sarili mong bahay, unless may sarili ka ng internet company, or meron kang sariling provider, diba? Mga ganun siya. So actually, okay, may sarili kang electric provider. So hindi ka na magbabayad monthly, diba? Wala ka na subscription. So subscription is basically napakasimple lang. So subscription will make like the payment lower to the barrier entry to the products and services, allow the potential customer to purchase your product. Bahala na kayo mag-intindi doon. Diba? Ang dami-dami kasi nito eh. So, to cut the long story short lang, in layman's term, okay, this subscription business na meron si Live Good will give you also a business of having a subscription, subscription din siya. Meaning to say, meron ka rin subscription business nakamukha ng malalaking kumpanya na hindi mo naman kailangan maglabas ng million or billion para magkaroon ka ng ganyan. Well, actually, it takes a lot of courage for you to have, for you to have a business opportunity of subscription po. So, hindi po siya po pwedeng makapagsimula ka ng wala kang malaking puhunan. But in here, kay Live Good, you are now having a subscription business as well. So para kang owner ng subscription industry din. Bakit? Kasi you will make profit out of the subscription of other people din. So para ka na nagtayo ng sarili mong subscription company. I don't know if you know yung Facebook check, yung blue check, subscription yun. So nagbabayad ka kay Facebook pero wala kang commission doon, 'di ba? So ganoon lang din siya. So marami pa ang subscription company, Netflix, marami, papakita natin yan lahat. Okay, one of the subscription na gusto kong ipaintindi sa marami dito is this insurance company. This insurance company, well, actually, you have to pay like 2,000, 3,000, or 5,000 for you to earn at least 2 million or 1 million after 10 years. And of course, para ka nagsisave dyan. Pero, question, gano'ng katagal talaga? 10 years? Gano'ng talaga lang babayaran mo? Well, actually, it depends. Pero, at still, you are paying that kind of amount of money for you to earn. Depende pa sa edad mo, diba? For you to earn that kind of potential profit, diba? Pero the thing is, masyado matagal yung 10 years, diba? So here, you don't need to wait for that. Dito kay Live Good. Pwede mangyari din sa inyo yan. Pwede kang kumita ng 2 million, 1 million, or kahit mas maliit. Kahit nga 100,000, okay lang din eh. As long as pwede kang kumita. Okay, ganoon siya. Yun yung maganda ron. Okay, so ano ba yung meron dyan kay Live Good na wala dun sa iba? Here's the thing. Netflix, nagbabayad ka ng subscription, but you're not making money. Kay Zoom, nagbabayad ka ng subscription, but you're not making money. Okay? Dito kay Amazon Prime, ganoon din. And of course, kay Costco. Lahat po yan ay subscription company. But take note, guys. Okay? Most of this company are service provider. Okay? So, kaya ka nagsasubscribe kay Netflix kasi nakakapanood ka ng mga Korean novela, iyak-iyak ka dyan, drama-drama ka dyan. Pero, hindi ka naman kumikita ng pera. Diba? Along the way kasi, habang nagsasubscribe ka dapat dyan, dapat, syempre, alam ka naman, sabi mo, uy, 10 years na akong user ng Netflix, dapat bigyan ako ng Netflix ng profit dyan. Diba? Well, actually, hindi. Binibigay naman ng Netflix yung kanilang service eh. Ganoon din po kay Live Good. Actually, dapat po guys, kung tutuusin, hindi na po dapat tayo papakitain dun sa subscription. Pwede naman tayong bayaran lang dun sa sa referral lang eh. 'Di ba? Pero dahil nga generous yung ginawa niya sa lahat ng mga nagsasubscribe later on. So wala pong pangako na bukas makalawa meron ka ng tao din sa ilalim, 'di ba? Pero later on, naintindihan niyo dun sa marketing plan, mamaya papaliwanag ko. Nakikita ka rin pala dun sa subscription ng ibang tao. Okay? Pero dapat naiintindihan mo na pinapakinabangan mo muna yung iyong sinusubscribe. Nagsusubscribe ako kay Netflix kasi gusto kong makapanood ng magandang movie. Nagsusubscribe ako kay Zoom kasi gusto kong makita kayo at marinig din yung mga gwapo at magagandang speaker. Diba, mga ganon. Bumibili ako nag-subscribe ako kay Costco kasi gusto kong makakuha ng magandang discount kay Costco. So, why subscribe kung hindi mo naman papakinabangan yung benepisyo? Tama? Well, dito kay Live Good, sinabi ko na kung anong benepisyo mo. Sobrang gaganda, sobrang quality, sobrang tataas ng mga kalidad ng mga produkto na meron dito. You have to take advantage of that. Okay? So, ang side hustle pa, pwede ka pang kumita doon. Yun yung maganda. Pwede kang kumita doon while you're bringing other people to subscribe. Pero, secondary nga lang yun. Hindi po dapat tayo nakafocus agad dun sa yung iba kasi. Kaya po yung iba, nag-stop agad kasi they really don't understand na kailangan pala pinapakinabangan ko yung benepisyo. 'Di ba? So yung iba, pwede kang kumita dito up to $2,000 pero kailangan maintindihan mo yung marketing plan. Kung interesado ka, ito yun. Papaliwanag natin kung paano ka ngayon kikita dito while you're enjoying the benefits. So, first is enjoy the benefits, enjoy the mission before you go to commission. Okay, so that is the ideal way of doing this business. Para mas matagal pa kayong magbe-benefits dito. Kailangan maintindihan nyo kaagad from the start. Alright? So dito, pwede kang kumita, pwede kang maging Live Good member, mag-register ka lang sa sponsors link. Sponsors link will be definitely forwarded to you dun sa tao na nag-invite sa'yo. Okay? So makakakuha ka kaagad ng discount kung $9.95 lang ang babayaran mo. But makakabili ka na ng product sa wholesale pero wala kang kitaan dyan. Gusto mong kumita, ito yung babayaran mo. $49.95 or $140. Isang taon na yon. 1 year subscription na yon. So wala ka ng monthly. That is what we are promoting. Doon kayo sa 1 year para hindi kayo na parang monthly, parang regular bang kailangan ba magbayad every month? Well, actually, para sa mga nag 1 year, ang mga yan po, nag-i-enjoy na lang ng benepisyo for 1 year. So, every subscription company, may mga package po yan ng yearly. Mas makakatipid ka kasi. Okay? So, makaka-access ka sa membership club, may digital marketing products, pwede kang mag-participate na rin sa compensation plan, and you can get the money later on. So, deposit mo siya sa iPayout, saka sa BitPay, or pwede rin yung P2P, peer-to-peer. Alright? So, pwede ka ditong kumita through the retail, Powerland, ito po. Pero yung retail site po, actually, para maintindihan nyo po, ito po ay parang may dropshipping. Okay, ang dropshipping, gamitin nyo po ito kasi marami kayong matutulungan pagka mga tao po, nakita nila, ay, mura naman ang product na to. Let them buy on the, kung sila customer lang, let them buy on original price. Okay? Kasi benepisyo mo yung may discount kasi member ka eh. Kasi meron po itong dropshipping, si company na po ang magpapadala. And I hope mabilis na po dumating dyan sa Pilipinas ngayon ulit. Okay, dati po kasi maabot lang ng 3 weeks yata, nandiyan dyan na. Pero syempre, dumami ang ating kliyente, so medyo tumatagal. Pero it's okay. So, yun nga. So, pag order sila dyan, pwede na po silang makareceive ng products kung saan man sila nandoon. Pero, hindi na kailangan ikaw ang mag-alok o bumili ka ng product bago mo ibenta. Well, para doon sa gustong magbenta, okay lang din, bumili ka ng maramihan, then ikaw na mag-retail, yung mga mahihiling mag-retail dyan. Right? So, meron kang Powerline landing page. Actually, ito po yung link na nanggagaling sa mga upline. Meron po yung short, quick, and mabilis na presentation ng company owner. Nandun po si Ben Glinsky, kasama po sa link na yan. Magpe-present po siya. And of course, may corporate site ka kung saan yung corporate site na ito, nandoon po yung ating lahat ng monitoring. Doon sa income, sa grupo, everything po, pati pag-order ng products, dyan po din ginagawa. Alright? Then may video yan, may mga video silang ginawa para mapadala mo na, connected na yung link na yan sa link mo. Ibig sabihin, pagka yan, nakita nila yung Super Greens, may commercial dyan, pag kinlik nila yung link na yan, connected na yan sa link mo, pag may umorder dyan, pwede na rin mapunta sa'yo. So, enjoy the benefits, guys. Ito yung benepisyo mo. Okay? So, kailangan nyo po mapakinabangan itong mga to. Okay. Para sa lahat ng mga gusto mag-enjoy ng benefits, please type B. Okay. Type B muna. Baka natutulog na kayo dyan. Okay. So, yun po. So, ngayon, ang compensation plan natin is structured by powerful unilevel and force matrix. Ito po is sa mga gusto mag-affiliate. Okay. So, ito po ay optional. Kung gusto mo lang ng produkto yung pakinabangan mo, it's okay. So, wala pang problema. Pero if you want to make money, nandito ka pa rin, then this is good news for you. But, of course, lahat po kailangan pakinabangan ng produkto. Okay? That is the backbone of the company. Kailangan maintindihan mo yung benepisyo na meron ka dito. Alright? So, pwede kang kumuha through Unilevel, maraming direct, and of course, yung matrix natin. So, paano ba ginagawa yan? Meron tayo kasing 8 ways to earn. 8 ways po siya. So, kung ikaw po ay kinsenas katapusan lang, wala namang problema. At least dito, merong 8 pamamaraan. Pero lahat po yan ay tinatrabaho. Hindi po yan hinihintay lang. Okay? So, may quick money. Ang pinaka-advisable po sa lahat, actually, ito po. Kumita ka sa fast start bonus. Maghanap ka ng mga tao na gusto mong makinabang doon sa mga produkto na meron tayo dito. Not because of the commission. Okay? Ulitin ko. Your mission is to help people to get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Diba? Kabisado ko na. Diba? But the point is simply like this. Kapag may tao na nakinabang doon sa produkto na meron ka, so of course, nakita nila yung benepisyo, huwag nyo munang silang i-hype. Kasi meron kasi iba nang ha-hype doon sa kikita agad ng ganito kabilis, sumali lang, mag-subscribe lang. No, guys. Please tell them the real benefits. The real benefits is enjoy the products talaga. Yun siya. Para alam mo pag sinubukan natin talaga lahat na puro product-based yung mindset natin dito. One of this day, may opisina na dyan, may warehouse na dyan sa Pilipinas. Hindi na kayo maghihintay ng ganong katagal. Okay? So, yun po yung gusto kong i-install sa mga tao dito. Kailangan nyo pong maintindihan na gagawin niya ng company kapag naiintindihan na talaga, nag-mature na lahat. Siguro naman, mature na ang karamihan dito na yun talaga ang benepisyo na meron tayo dito. Okay? At kung mapapansin nyo, bakit iba ng way ng presentation natin? Kasi nagmamature po tayo sa paglago ng business natin. Okay? So, $25 kada tao na may sasali sa'yo dyan, nakukuha po ng package na affiliate program ng $49.95. Kung kukuha sila ng 1 year, pares lang din siya. Kasi binayaran lang naman nila yung 1 year nila para makadiscount sila. Okay? So, meron kang 4 na tao, may $100 ka. Okay? Kung meron kang 8 tao, may $200 ka. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Okay? So, huwag niyong pahirapan yung sarili niyo. Ngayon, lumalalim po yan at lumalaki ang income mo pag lumalalim. Kung halimbawa po, gusto mo mag-rank up. The higher the position, the higher the commission. Pero syempre, ibig sabihin, na ituro mo ng tama, ituturo din ng tama yan sa pailalim. Simulan mo ng mali na po yan pailalim. Okay? So, dapat po, ituro po ng tama kung ano yung dapat natin gawin. Okay ba yan? So, makulit lang tayo, pero kailangan tama pa rin yung ginagawa natin. Okay? So, guys, kailangan maintindihan mo na malaking pera yan yung sa fast start bonus na yan. Let me show you exactly how big it is. Okay? So, it's gonna be like 5 times 25 times 25 times 5 again. So, this is the power of 5. Okay? Hindi ako masyadong magtatagal dito. And of course, sasabihin ng marami dyan, lalo na critics ka rin, sabihin mo, wow, $6 million? Ang laki naman yun. Offline. Of course, sabihin na natin na 349,000 million. But actually, that would be a hype to tell you. Pero totoong numbers po yan. If you will perfect the structure of power of 5, and nobody can do that. Actually, yun na totoo. Pero, pwede po magawa natin yan 50%, sabihin natin na 25% or 10% or kahit even 1%, it's still okay. Okay? Ang punto, kailangan po ninyo maintindihan tong tinatawag na, fast start computation na to. So, ibig sabihin po, even 1% malaking bagay. Magkano ang 1% na 6 million? So, malaking bagay yan, my friend. Kahit pa $6,000 yan, malaki pa rin yan. Tama? So, even though still going to work. Simply, the power of 5 is still working. Pero kung makakaswerte ka, meron ka talagang tao na ganyang solido, then it's gonna be this benefits, these numbers. Wala pong pipigil sa inyo. Okay? So, this is only a sample computation. Sagad po ito. Ibig sabihin, ito yung sagad sa power of 5. Pwede pa yung lumaki, pero kahit lumiit yan, okay lang din. Diba? So, yun po siya. Okay, paano ba mag-rank up dyan? Paano ba kumita ng palalim ng ganong kalalim? Unang-una po, pag nakakuha ka ng 2 tao, then bronze level yon. Okay? Pagka nakakuha ka po ng 20 na tao, pwedeng personal, or 10 lang sa'yo, kumuha silang tigit-tigisa, or 3 lang sa'yo, lahat naman nag-rank up ng bronze yung 3, 20 pa rin yung katao, silver ka pa rin. Gusto mo mag-gold, 100 katao. Ganon din po yung program. Basta ang total, 100 yung katao, hindi po necessary direct mo lahat. Okay? So, nandyan po ng number, kayo na po ang bahalang ano niyan, mag-zoom in yan. Ako na pala mag-zoom in para sa inyo. Yan siya. Pwedeng 30 directs, 3 silver lang. Nasa sa inyo po yan. Platinum, ganun lang din. 500 na katao. Base sa grupo mo, may 500 ka, pwede pong ganyan pong kasimple. Pwede pong 3 gold, 500 na kagad, or hiwa-hiwalay. So, madali lang po ang marketing plan. Hindi po siya pinahirapan. Alright? So, Diamond. Diamond po, 2,500 na katao yan. Hindi po necessary direct mo yan. 3 platinum, okay lang din. Or hiwa-hiwalay na tagpa 500. So, the more, the merrier for you. Of course, marami pong tao yan, pero still, worth it naman. Okay? Pero, hindi ko po sinabing mag-direct ka ng 2,500. So, may nakakagawa po yan, may gumawa po yan. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabing gawin mo rin yung ganun. Pwede po yan nanggaling sa 5 grupo, 10 grupo, 100 grupo na nakabuo po ng 2,500. Okay? And of course, yung pinaka-goal natin na mag-Crown Diamond. Okay? Ang Crown Diamond po, ito po yung talagang siniseryoso o talagang gustong kumita ng malaki. And sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-Crown Diamond, Type 2. Lahat ng gustong mag-Crown Diamond, Type 2. Yan. Okay? So, bakit? 50,000 po ang katao niyan. Ganun po kadami. Okay? So, ang maganda, hindi mo lahat kinuha yan. Baka kinuha mo nga lang din 5. Pero yung 5, din yung pong nag-work yung power of 5. Okay? Dumami. Okay? So, ganun po siya. So, dadami pa rin yan kasi ito pong business na to will never stop along the way. Okay? So, marami po ang pipigil sa atin pero wala namang pwedeng pumigil sa mga taong gigil. Diba? May ganun. Gigil ka ba? So, sa Matrix Commission, guys, para maintindihan niyo. Ito po yung sinasabi ng iba, ito po yung hinihintay ng iba at gustong pakinabangan ng marami. Which is actually, tama naman po. Makikinabang po kayo dito. Okay? Kunwari, ako po yan nasa tuktok. Ako na lang kasi ako ang speaker, pagbigyan nyo na ako. Diba? So, may nakuha ko 10. First 2 ka, 2 ka sa 10 na yan, yung 2 nasa unahan na yan, okay? Ngayon, paano kung halimbawa, may na-spill over pa akong 8? So, ibig sabihin, spill over na yan. Ngayon, kung ako yung upline mo, very easy. Kaya lang, kung ngayon ka pa lang nakapakinig, kung ako yung upline mo, ako po ay nandito for 1 year na, no? Mahigit. Well, actually, walang problema. Hindi po kasi kami may control kung saan ka pupunta sa Matrix. May control po niyan company. May auto spillover kasi yan. Kung ako ang upline mo, walang problema kung saan ka man pumasok dyan. Okay, kung saan ka man dalahin ng system. Still, mag-auto spillover kasi yung company and system natin. Okay? So, every time na meron po na spillover sa'yo, well, actually, may 0.25 ka kapag ka po sila ay nag-renew ng kanilang monthly membership. Okay? Pero kung sila ay naka 1 year, automatic renew na yon. So, meron ka lang 0.25 for 1 year. Okay? Tuloy-tuloy na siya. Paano kung kulang pa yung sa panagsusubscribe ko? That's why, okay, you need to understand that the benefits is only, yun nga, kung mag-enjoy ka sa magaganda na quality ng mga products, para hindi ka umaasa dun sa commission lang. Actually, pwede ka nang kumita dun sa product selling kung naintindihan mo lang yung kanina. And then you can put the mark up. Sabihin mo, kunwari, binili mo yung walang courier charge pero naniningil ka ng courier charge. Well, it's okay. It's okay. Business is business. Ganun talaga siya. Hindi naman, ganun talaga ang pagninegosyo. Kailangan mag-profit ka. Profit is always profit. Tandaan yun. Okay? So, ngayon, kung nalalagyan ka po sa Matrix, lucky for you. Pero kung hindi ka po nalalagyan sa Matrix, then ikaw na po ang mag-create. Pwede ka namang mag-create Diba? Kasi simply go for the mission para magkaroon ka ng commission. Okay? Kasi kung ikaw mismo maghahanap ka ng mga tao later on na mag-i-enjoy ng benepisyo dun sa produkto na meron din. And you have to be product of the product, guys. Kailangan maging product of the product kayo. Kailangan alam niyo sa sarili ninyo na I have to enjoy this product kasi kailangan ko to. Kailangan po natin lahat maging healthy, guys. Diba? Pero hindi mo kailangan mag-spend ng fortune to do it. English na naman yun. Kabisado ko lang kasi yan. Later on, dadami yung mga tao na subscriber mo kasi they're enjoying the benefits. And while they're enjoying the benefits, they're also enjoying the monetization. And the monetization, ito yung sinasabi ko na kanina, na para kang may-ari na subscription company kasi the more that the people are inspired and they want to do the same like you kasi marami natutulungan. Kasi if you are the person who want to help more people, then later on, dadami yung mga tao na nagsubscribe kasi nakikita nila yung benepisyo ng produkto dito. Later on, pag dumami ang mga subscribers mo, actually, para ka nang may-ari ng subscription company kasi they will pay you along the way up to $1,000 to $2,000 or more. Ganun siya. Pwede kang magbayaran muna ng 50 cents, $1, ganun siya. Pero depende nga po yan kung gaano kadami yung mga taong natutulungan mo. Okay? Don't go for the commission immediately. Okay? Always go for the mission. Okay? So ngayon, paano kung wala pa ako napasali, nalagyan ako ng tao? Then, benefits is still there. So maraming subscriber na nasa sa ilalim mo na mga yan ay talaga nag-i-enjoy ng ikaw. Kunwari, user ka lang ng products pero tuloy-tuloy ka nagsasubscribe. So, papalitan na natin yung terminology na ikaw ay waiter or ikaw ay abangers. Hindi na. Ikaw ay happily subscriber and happily enjoying the benefits of your subscription. Okay? So, nag-i-enjoy ka dun sa benepisyo ng magagandang produkto. Along the way, malalagyan ka ng tao sa ilalim. Kung wala ka talagang pinapasali, gusto mo solohin lang yung benepisyo, it's okay. Hindi naman greedy ang tawag doon. Pero sinusolo mo lang, di ba? So, wala namang problema. Pero, kung nag-share ka sa iba, later on, dadami ang tao dyan sa ilalim, pag napuno po yan, at least $2,000 ka. Kung may napasali kang dalawa, $4,000 po ang potential income na meron ka. And pag gold and platinum, and nasa 8,000. Kapag diamond, 16,000. Pero overnight ba yan? Hindi. Yan po ay base sa opportunity na ibibigay lang sa'yo ng company na bibigyan ka rin ng commission kahit na hindi mo pa ginagawa ang mission. Pero kung gusto mong bumilis ang iyong komisyon, gawin mo yung mission. Okay? Nalilito na ba kayo? Okay, malito. Stay tuned lang kayo dyan. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin po noon, kailangan maintindihan mo na marami po ang makikinabang dito sa benefits ng company kung talagang iintindihin lang natin. Okay? So, even though they are product user lang, okay lang yun. Later on, kikita sila ng pera. So, i-install ninyo sa mga kaibigan, kamag-anak at kakilala ninyo. They have to use the product. They have to use the benefits of subscription. Okay? Kasi para kayong nagrarenta ng Netflix pero hindi naman kayo nanonood ng Netflix. Para kayong nagbayad ng Zoom meeting pero hindi naman kayo ma-attend ng Zoom meeting. Diba? Ganun siya. So, kailangan maintindihan mo yung benepisyo mo. Kapag naintindihan mo ang benepisyo mo, walang bibitaw. Okay? So, don't do this one because of the commission alone. Commission alone, actually, mag-automatic yan if you will do the mission. Right? So, yun nga po yung sistema natin. Okay? So, along the way po, kung halimbawa, gamit ka lang ng gamit ng product, nagbayad ka ba ng kunwari, nagbabayad ka ng subscription mo kasi nag-enjoy ka lang sa products. Along the way, actually, may calculation na tayo dito na kunwari, nagbayad ka lang ng, sabihin natin, ng $6,000 pesos after 1 year, or nagbayad ka ng 3 years for 20,000, or nagbayad ka ng 33,000 for 5 years. Okay? The good thing is, guys, kahit pa 5 years yan, ang binayaran mo lang naman 33,000. But later on, dahil gumagamit ka, nag-i-enjoy ka ng products, maybe yung income, hindi mo na kailangang intindihin yun. Yung papasok na pera. Kasi, product pa lang, bawi ka na eh. Kasi yung discount pa lang, ang laki na nang natitipid mo eh. Di ba? So, doon pa lang, alam mo na kaagad na worth it yung binanggawa mo. Doon pa lang, maintindihan mo, dapat pala gumamit ako ng products. Dapat pala, kung kailangan magbenta ko ng products, magbenta ko ng products, di ba? Doon pa lang, hindi kayo tatawanan ng mga tao dyan na nood lang, kumikita sila. Actually, ikaw, nagbebenta ka ng products kung gusto mo, magbenta ka online kung gusto mo, o kaya ng through dropshipping, o kaya naman pakinabangan mo yung product kasi ang laki na natitipid mo. So nasa sayo na lahat ng benepisyo, actually hindi mo lang ginagawa. The best part is maaambunan ka pa ng blessings up to $2,000 kung naghihintay ka lang. Pero yan ay aabutin pa ng 3, 4, 5 years bago yun dumami. Pero ang point ko lang, sa simula pa lang, kung nakikinabang ka na, you will never stop subscribing kasi alam mo, nakikinabang ka. So go for the subscription based on your mission. Kasi alam mo na marami kang natutulungan, nagbe-benepisyo ka din. Okay? I hope you get the point. Kasi marami sa atin na hindi naintindihan kung bakit tayo nagsusubscribe. Don't subscribe just because of the money. Subscribe kayo because of the benefits. Later on, the benefits will just follow. Okay? I hope you understand that. English kasi yun. Diba? Alright. So, masyado akong lumalalim, masyado akong naging seryoso. So, you will have an automatic self-paying mechanism later on kapag marami ka na natulungan dito. So, the more that you help people, the more benefits that you will get. Okay? So, ang pinakamaganda rito, the more na talagang ikaw talagang tinutukan mo, sineryoso mo, and marami ka talagang tao na natulungan, kahit na sabihin natin ng mga yan ay product user lang, pero later on, kumikita na rin sila doon sa matrix na pinaliwanag natin kanina. Later on, they will get commission. And the moment nagkaroon na rin ng commission ng mga tao mo na pinadala dito, so malilibre na yung products nila. So hindi na sila titigil na gumamit ng produkto. Hindi na sila titigil na mag-subscribe kasi kumikita na rin sila. The best part is may commission ka. Kung meron kang commission ng 1,000, 500, 100, 200, 50% ka nun. So meron kang 500, 250, 50, or 100. Along the way, lalaki pa yung commission mo dyan. Kasi bakit? Kasi ganito yung good news dyan. Kapag ka po, yung first generation mo, sabi ko kanina, 50% ka, kapag ka ikaw ay nag-rank up hanggang diamond, the good news is, actually, pwede kang kumita hanggang 73%. 73% sa direct mo. Okay? But tell them, you have to enjoy the benefits. Okay? So, kung tayo po ay nagmamature sa business na to, well, actually, kailangan maintindihan mo na malaki pala yung, malaki yung commission mo pala sa mga direct mo na kukuha. Kaya huwag niyong pabayaan yung mga direct nyo na yan. Kasi po, along the way, ang mga maintindihan na nila, napapaliwanag na natin na mas maganda pa at mas klaro pa sa kanila, sa isipan nila, kung ano yung meron dito kay Livegood. Right? So, later on, makikita nyo, ang laki pala ng pera dito kay Livegood, no? Bakit 73%? Meron ditong plus yung sa second level mo, meron kang 23%, sa third generation mo, meron kang 13%, 8%, and then 3%. Actually, yan po ay hanggang 5th generation kung magra-rank up ka ng diamond. Okay? Pero yun nga maganda. Palaki ng palaki ang pera mo, the more that you help more people along the way. Kunwari naman, paano yan, coach? Dalawa lang yung napasali ko. Yung asawa ko, yung biyanan ko. Sipag naman ako. Ganun siya. Okay lang. Walang problema. Along the way, actually, kahit dalawa lang yung napasali mo, okay, posible ka pa rin kumita kasi ng $4,000 dyan kasi dalawa nakapagpasali ka. The good news po, wag mo aalisin sa sarili mo at doon sa pinasali mo, okay, they have to use the benefits. Ano ba yung benefits? Para hindi po sila ma-burn out ng subscribe, lalo na yung nagma-monthly, pero yung nag-yearly, okay din naman po yun. Pero at least, i-enjoy ninyo yung benepisyo kung anong meron sa inyo dito. You have the quality products, you have the very low price products, and then enjoy. Enjoy, guys. Okay? Along the way, pwede ka nang kumita ng $4,000, tapos yung dalawang family member mo, mayroon din tagto $2,000, so equivalent of $4,000 yan. And then may 50% ka pa, so may $10,000 ka. Ngayon, $10,000, malaki ba yan? Medyo, kasi $500,000 na yan. Pero ang maganda, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Kasi you know exactly the mission that you did. Okay? So, ang mission mo kasi talagang tumulong ka ng marami. Diba? So, huwag na tayo mag-focus muna doon sa commission. Later on, this commission will just follow because you know exactly what you're doing is correct. Okay? And may pinagkukuhanan ng pera. Kung saan kumukuha ang pera ang kumpanya. Hindi po dahil pinapanood mo lang, diba, kumikita ka na, well, wala pong pinaghuhugutan yun. Wala namang problema doon. As long as marami natutulungan, marami ang kumikita, pero sana, yun nga, sana maging totoo yung mga ganong klase ng company. Pero of course, yun na nga, hindi na nga po. Marami na po mga hindi magagandang nangyayari ngayon. So that's why you have to continue kung ano man yung mga nakikita ninyo. Marami pong company na magaganda, wag mo lang po kayong mag-focus doon sa mga ganong klase ng sistema. Alright? So ngayon, paano ko nakuha ko ng 20 direct referrals? As I mentioned here, this is gonna be like a maximum earning of $2,000 kanina kung talagang lahat ng mga sinali mo dito is nag-enjoy ng benefits. Along the way, meron kang 50% pa rin. Wala nang problema. 20 katao times $1,000 pa rin. But it will take time again. I'm telling you, 3, 4, 5 years or more. Pero 1 million is not bad. So, please, wag po kayong magpabayad lang sa tao na hindi po nila naiintindihan. Okay? Sabihin sa kanila, oy, enjoy nyo yung benefits. Take kayo ng maraming, take ninyo yung mga produkto, magbenta kayo kung gusto ninyo, and then magsabi kayo sa maraming tao. Along the way, they will stay kasi kumikita sila. Naiintindihan na kasi nila. Okay? Give them, teach them. Okay? That's why you're here. Most of the people na mga nakikinig ngayon, lalo na yung mga first-timer, ganun pala. Paano kung ayaw ko magbenta ng products? It's okay. Use the products then. Required ba? Hindi po. Hindi po siya nire-required ng company. Pero still, kailangan mong gamitin. Kasi sayang naman yung benepisyo na meron ka. Parang sa Netflix, required ba na manood ka? Hindi din. Pero kailangan mo manood kasi nagbabayad ka. Ganun siya kasimple. Tama? So, gamitin mo. Gamitin mo kasi what's the use? Bakit ka nagsusubscribe? Hindi mo naman ginagamit. So, gamitin mo kasi ang laki ng potential later on. So, sayang naman. Diba? So, pwede ka kumita ng 1.1 million along the way. Pwede na yun. Sa ibang company, idol, Lodi, grabe, power ka na dyan. Diba? And here, pwede mangyari yan. Pwede mangyari yan dito sa company na to. Simply doing the right thing. Okay? So, of course, hindi siya madali. 3, 4, 5 years is not madali. Pero mangyayari at mangyayari kung talagang naiintindihan niyo yung totoong benepisyo. Kaya yung subscription dito, nakasubscribe ka na. Sa Netflix nga, nakasubscribe ka na ng 5 years. Hindi ka naman kumikita, pero nandiyan ka pa rin. So, why stop the subscription if you understand right now, di ba? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, what if you have a 30 direct referrals? Then, ganun pa rin na sistema. 30 times 3,000. Kasi baka 6,000 ang kinikita ng mga tao. That's 90,000 pesos. Dollars. Okay? And 5 million pesos. Not bad. 5 million, not bad. Pero, I'm gonna tell you, there's gonna be lots of courage po. And sasabihin ko sa inyo, yan pong mathematics na yan, totoo yan. Pero it's going to happen whether we like it or not. Diba? Magda-direct ka nga lang. Hindi po yan sinasabi na wala kang dinirect, no? Na wala kang ginawa. May gagawin po dito. Kasi ang business na pag sinabing walang gagawin, baka mamaya wala na rin mangyari dyan. Okay? Tandaan nyo, sasabihin ko, hindi po siya madali, pero doable siya. Kasi hindi po madali ang maghintay ng 3, 4, 5 years. Hindi po madali yun. And hindi po madali mag-build ng 3, 4, 5 years. Hindi po madali yun. Pero along the way, nandiyan ka naman, subscriber ka, and naiintindihan mo yung benepisyo mo, gumagamit ka ng produkto, don't lose that. Okay? Kasi along the way, maintindihan mo, okay, yun pala yun. Tama pala ang ginagawa ko, hindi ako bumibitaw. Yes pa. Ganun siya. What if you got 100 solid direct referrals? Then that's very good for you. Then, you have to teach them to become a diamond. Okay? And diamond is doable. Marami pong gumawa niyan. Although marami po ang tinamaan po ng mga kung ano-ano mga nangyayari, it's okay. You can restart and you can redo it again. Don't worry. The goal is to create more diamonds. Okay? So, sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-diamond dito, type 1 muna tayo. Diba? Masyado na akong seryoso ngayon. Diba? Okay, type 1 muna sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-diamond. Yan. Okay. 100 solid direct referral mo, magda-diamond. Then, that's the goal. Actually, hindi po siya madali. Ulitin ko. Walang madali sa buhay po. Okay. If you're willing to do what is easy, life would be hard. But if you're willing to do what is hard, life would be easy. Ganun lang lagi. Okay? Sinabi ko yan sa Tagalog sa Facebook post ko. Okay? Kung willing kang gawin ang madali, mahihirapan ka sa buhay. Pero kung willing kang gawin kung ano yung mahirap, mas magiging madali ang iyong pamumuhay. Okay? So, 45 million is guaranteed for those people who will achieve. Okay? Who will achieve yung solid direct referral. Ulitin ko, it might happen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, I don't know. Pero 45 million pesos every month, that's really huge amount of money. Okay? Is that a hype? Is that true? Yes, it's gotta be true for you. It's gotta be true for each and every one of us, for those who believe, for those who want to achieve. Okay? Pero syempre, may effort mong kasama yan. Okay? Tatandaan mo lagi ito ha. Your action is always equivalent to your reaction. Kung wala kang action, don't expect this. Diba? So sabihin nila, subscribe ako ng subscribe. Wala pa naman akong kinikita. Hindi nga po yung subscription para sa kinikita. You're subscribing kasi may benefits ka. You're subscribing kasi naintindihan mo na kailangan mong maging healthy. Ano ba mas importante sa yung health mo o yung wealth mo? You have to choose. Kasi pwedeng ubusin kapag ikaw ay maraming mayaman, marami kang wealth, pwedeng ubusin ng health mo yan pag hindi ka healthy. Kahit pag gaano kadami ang pera mo. Okay? So, dapat po maintindihan nyo na your mission is to help people to get healthy and stay healthy. Yun siya. Okay? So, yun po talaga. So, kailangan naintindihan, ay, ganun pala yun. Oh. And the more that you help more people, the more you will be blessed. Diba? So, ganun po dapat ang mindset na meron tayo dito. Okay? So, along the way, marami pong tao nakakakuha dito ng mga subscribers. There's 1,000 people here. There's 100, yan, meron po ditong 600, 1,000, 500. Yan po, ang dami pong tao nakakuha. And one of our coach upline, Fernando Santiago, he had almost 600 right now. Pero ang tanong, posible pala ang ganyang kadami. Ang tanong, kaya pa lang mag-create ng 100 downline direct na diamond. Tama? Kasi kaya mag-direct dito ng ganito kadami. Diba? So, yun po siya. Kaya po pala. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po siya imposibleng gawin. Okay? So, along the way, pwede ka pa rin kumita sa retail commission, which is I mentioned kanina. Ang retail commission po is actually optional yan. Hindi po tayo persahan. Pero, bakit hindi mo i-enjoy? Mag-enjoy ka na mag-retail kasi 50% ka dun sa commission ng mga nabebentahan mo. Kunwari, nagbebenta ka ng worth, sabihin na natin na meron tayong $20, okay? Or $30. Yung commission doon, kunwari, based on the distributor and the company's price, yung hatiin nyo, 50-50 kayo ng company kasi wala na halos tubo ang company doon eh. Diba? Pero, ang maganda, pwede yung lumalim. Kung nagre-retail lang ang tao dito, pwede pong, actually, ito na ang kailangan nating i-promote ngayon, the retail side. Kasi walang retail side ang ibang company, 'di ba? They only have a watching side. 'Di ba? It's okay if they want to watch only and they make money, but still bentahan nyo lang sila. Bentahan nyo sila ng produkto. Oy, bumili ka na ng products kasi nanonood ka lang diyan. Baka mamaya hindi ka na healthy. Baka mamaya sabihin mo, lobo lang ang pumuputok. Baka mamaya pati batok mo pumutok. 'Di ba? So kailangan nilang maintindihan 'yan, 'di ba? So, ganoon po guys, no? So, kailangan maintindihan nyo, maganda pala itong product na to, maganda pa itong mga ano. Oh, hindi namin kayo pinapwersa magbenta. Wala pong sistema. Ako lang po yung sasabi nito. I-enjoy nyo lang. Enjoy nyo kasi part ng benefits yan. I-enjoy nyo siya. Okay? So, for those who want to make money on retail, please type 1. Gusto mo ba kumita sa retail? Type 1. Kasi alam mo, magandang business to. Actually, yung iba kasi, hindi talaga nila nakikita. Pwede pa lang kumita sa products. Yes. Hindi mo lang alam. Diba? So, take advantage yun na. Kasi yung ibang tao, ayaw umorder kasi natatagalan. Eh, di ikaw ang umorder. Kung natatagalan sila, patungan mo. Diba? So, ganun lang siya. So, along the way, pwede ka pang kumita ng additional ulit, 10%, 20%, hanggang 50%. So, ibig sabihin, pwede kang maging total of 100% pa rin yung commission mo. Alright? Do we understand each other, guys? English yun. Diba? So, ganun po siya. Influencer po, yung mga kaibigan natin dito ng TikTok, marami akong kilala dyan, marami yung nagre-reels dyan, diba? Nilalagay na nila yung mga produkto nila. Sayaw ng sayaw, diba? Eh, kaysa naman sayaw ka ng sayaw dyan, naghahanap ka ng views, diba? So, at least yun, pag may nag-view, ay, meron palang product nito, kaya pa, okay, diba? Ilagay nyo lang yung produkto. Mapapasayaw ka na lang din, diba? Nakita mo sila. Diba? So, ganun lang. And then, of course, yung mga kliyente niyo na order pa lang ng mga sa simula, actually, yung mga first direct ninyo later on. So, let them enjoy the products. Then, kapag ka po kayo ay may mga downline na bumili ng worth $300, actually, automatic po, magkakaroon ka ng 10% of that. Okay? So, ang tawag dyan ay customer acquisition bonus. Customer acquisition bonus. Yung masabi. Okay, so up to 10th level din yan. Depende kung anong level mo and it's infinite wide. So, it's gonna be big actually. So guys, itong nandito po, hindi po ito pinapakita lang just for the sake na may pakita sa inyo. Ito po ay nandito kasi gusto po ng company na magbenepisyo ka dito. Okay? So, piece of the pie money, this is the diamond bonus pool. Kaya po, pinapatype ko kanina lahat ng mga gusto mag-diamond. Bakit? Kasi 2% yan eh. Total sales from all members and product sales is divided equally among all diamonds. Guys, kunwari, ang company kumita ng 15 million, may 2% ka, 300,000 yun. So, ang bilis kong mag-calculate, di ba? Kasi, nakasulat na. Di ba? Ganun talaga. Di ba? Yun lang siya. So, 2% yan, kung may 60 diamond in the world, to tagpa $5,000 po bawat isa. Malaking bagay po yun. So, sino ba naman ang ayaw ng $5,000? Okay? So, that is very possible po for each and every one. Okay? So, sa mga gustong mag-diamond, ulitin ko, please type letter D. Letter D sa mga gustong mag-diamond. Alright? Letter D lang. Para alam ko, diamond yung tinatype mo. Gusto mo ng $5,000, mag-diamond ka. Okay? Eh, paano naman? Gusto ko kasi maging crown diamond, pero wala pa ako na-invite. Diba? Yun lang. Diba? This is only for the people who want to invite people, alright? So guys, rich and famous money is a crown diamond money, and actually that is 0.5 additional po to do sa 2% kanina. So it's all gonna be shared to those people who are ranked in a crown diamond. Kapag nag-rank ka ng crown diamond, then you are entitled for 0.5% again. Kunwari, yung 15 million, ang 0.5% is $75,000. So, hati-hati tayo dyan. Diba? So, magkano yun? 37,000. Wala, hindi na masama. Diba? So, ito naman ang taong. Para naman sa mga hindi pa nakapag-type kanina, sino naman ang gusto mag-crown diamond? And sa lahat ang gusto mag-crown diamond, type CD. Letter Z and D. CD. Okay? So, crown diamond is CD. Type mo yan para ma-manifest mo siya para makuha mo. Crown diamond CD. I-type mo siya. Okay? Okay? Hindi po DVD. Okay? CD lang siya. Baka mamaya, hindi na po uso yung CD, yung BHS na. BHS, alala ko lang BHS. Alright, so ito yung mga kumikita dito sa company. And a lot of people, this is old picture, but actually this is recent, last year po ito. So, you're gonna be here, actually. You just need to decide. Kung gusto mong kumita ng malaki, you have to decide, okay? And so many people are gonna make that, and you have to, you have to declare for what you want in life, okay? All things are possible. Sasamahan mo lang lagi ng sandamakmak na dasal at sandamakmak na action. Amen to that? Kailangan talaga may action pa rin. Hindi po pwedeng puro dasal lang at hindi lang po pwedeng puro action lang. Pagsasamahin mo siya lagi. Okay? Usana before was 260, ito na po siya from 30 years. So they have like 267,000 members. Well, actually, Live Good created already 1 million in just 13 months. So palakpakan nyo naman ang Live Good, diba? So ganun kabilis, ganun kaganda ang ginawa nila. And ito na nga po, rest assured po, padami pa tayo ng padami. And what you can see right now is the tip of the iceberg. And there's a lot of subscribers around the world. And actually, padami pa tayong padami. And palaki ng palaki international, not only in the Philippines. Okay, alam ko tinamaan tayo ng dilubyo last time. Tandaan nyo, ang isang farm, kapag tinamaan ng bagyo, walang choice kundi magtanim ko ulit. And may mga tao na nandiyan dyan, magsisibali ka na yan. And some of the people nahihiya, tanggapin nyo po sila ng maluwag again. And wag po tayo maging bitter. Wag nyo po silang pagtawanan. Ako na lang, gano'n siya. De joke lang. Pero huwag niyo pong pagtawanan. Embrace them, accept them, and don't fight. Please, do not argue. Please. Nobody wins an argument, okay? But if they keep on continuing promoting something, delikado na po kasi ngayon kasi meron na pong pinatawag yung sect, 'di ba? So, mahirap pong mag-promote na baka mamaya pati pangalan mo madamay pa, mahirap na. Okay? But in here is sobrang swerte natin kasi we're just 1 million. And you know, in Netflix, they have 200 million subscribers. And it's going to happen here in Live Good later on. At hindi ka pa rin bumibitaw dahil nakikinabang ka sa produkto, dahil alam mo na ikaw ay nagbebenepisyo sa magaganda at mga quality ng produkto natin. Later on, those 200 million will be sabihin na natin na kukurot ka lang dyan. 1% na lang niya nasa sa ilalim mo. So lucky you are na nandito ka. So big ang nasa sa ilalim pa at ang pwede pa mangyari dito. So simple lang ang gagawin mo. Continue doing it. Whatever you're doing right now, it's okay. Kung may ginagawa ka, it's okay. Walang problema. And people and here in Live Good will always respect those people kung ano man yung ginagawa dyan. Kasi dito ko nakita yung mga totoong leadership, and some of the people are jumping from company tawag natin doon. Pero it's okay. Ganun talaga eh. May choice point nila yan eh. So whatever may happen, still we're here to embrace and give them the quality that we do have here. So hindi naman tayo mga bashers dito, tama? Hindi naman tayo mga So sabihan niyo rin po yung mga downline niyo na nagbabasa sa mga Facebook. Huwag niyo pong gawin 'yon. Okay? Kasi the more that we do that, the more that we pushing them away. We don't have to push them away. We have always to attract more people, and we have to show the positivity. Ulitin ko, nobody wins an argument. And this 200 million, if they want to come back, it's okay. No problem. They can start again. They can do it again. And hindi naman sila bumibitaw pa sa subscription nila. Let them do the right thing. Okay? Let them do the right thing. And the right thing is not only subscribing, but actually helping more people. Tulong tayo sa maraming tao. And isa po sa gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na napakadami po talaga na magiging subscriber pa. Like 10 million, 20 million, or 200 million along the way. So this 2024 is your year. Panghawakan mo yan, gamitan mo yan, at paniwalaan mo yung sarili mo na kaya mong gawin. Okay? Whatever you do, kung marami ka nang ginagawa, dagdag mo lang to. Dagdag mo sa Live Good. Alam ko, some of you are in other company pa. It's okay. Walang problema. Dagdag mo to. Wala namang mawawala. Still, magdadagdag ka lang. Okay? So, ganoon po talaga. Kasi, sometimes, you have to think much more on, teka muna, naka-build na ako dito, marami na ako nagawa dito sa company ko, nasa insurance ako. It's okay. It's okay. Dagdag mo lang si Live Good. Kasi marami ka naman matutulungan eh. And hindi ka naman pinapwesang maging speaker katulad namin dito na, di ba, kung kasing gaganda ka ng mga speaker, kasing gagwapo ka dito, di ba? Diba? Wala namang problema doon. Pero, ang point dito is actually, take advantage of what you have right now and help more people. Okay? So, yun po. At ulitin ko, walang makikipag-away, please, no? And kung kayo po ay member doon, you want to come back wholeheartedly, it's okay. Then if you want to do something, well, it's okay, okay pa rin, wala pang problema. Basta huwag niyong bibitawan yung subscription niyo. Diba? Hindi naman porke nagsasubscribe ka kay Netflix, hindi ka na pwede mag-subscribe kay Facebook, diba? It's okay. Pero yun na nga, diba? Wag mong bibitawan kung anong ginagawa mo dito kasi you will be left behind. Okay? And the pain of being left behind is unbearable. So, wag nating bibitawan hangga't maaari. At kung hindi pa naintindihan ng mga downline ninyo, please share this kind of presentation. Kasi this presentation is more matured, more on the benefits that you have now. We're not focusing on the income anymore, but the income will just follow later on. Ulitin ko, focus on the mission because the commission will just follow later on. Okay? So, the reason why you need to do this one, first is we just launched officially global. Sobrang ano po to. Sobrang totoo po ito. And until now, bago nagsisimula pa lang po ang iba't ibang mga bansa. Diba? Nakita natin ang growth ng Vietnam. Ngayon may Mongolia. Diba? Merong ang dami na. India, ang laki-laki na. Ang daming bansa po talaga na gumagawa. So, actually, we just started, guys. Okay? And another one is yung high quality and very affordable products. I'm focusing on this. Guys, you have to focus on this. Kasi, ito talaga. Kahit paanong gawin natin, mga kumpanya natin, anyone here, please use the products. Napakaswerte natin nandito tayo sa Live Good. You're so lucky kasi nag-provide ng gatong klaseng kumpanya. You're so lucky. Please tell your people, enjoy the products. Okay, ang dami po niyan. Okay, mapabata, matanda, may ngipin o wala. Pwede po lahat dyan. Okay? So, yan po siya. Marketing system tools and trainings. Regular po, makaka-receive kayo ng email, marketing tools, company, question and answer, ask anything, meron silang ganon. Diba? So, sobrang dami po. And even the owner of the company, ang maganda, hindi AI. Diba? And dito po sa presentation na to, ang maganda, yung mga speaker dyan, ang gugwapo at ang gaganda. Lalo na yung taga-Canada, diba? Alright, yun po siya. Hello po, simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. Napakaganda po ng marketing plan. So, sobrang nakakatawa po. So, please, enjoy the benefits. Enjoy enjoy exactly kung ano man yung mission natin dito, guys. Alright? So many people here. I'm really thankful na marami tayong tao dito na tutulungan and padami pa tayo ng padami. Okay? So, if you're a newbie here, I hope you learned something new. And I want to become a member. Kung gusto mo maging member po dito, then, ayan po, magiging affiliate ka dito. Just decide to become a letter A. Okay? So, yun lang siya. Huwag ka na muna mag-retail customer lang. Okay? Then, aside from that, okay? So, ayan po. Let's go to the proper presentation dito na, yan, letter A ka. Okay? So, guys, napaka ganda po na ito. So, kailangan po maintindihan mo lang. And aside from that, ito po muna, ayan, tayo dito, meron tayo tinatawag na priority yung family natin. Okay? So, dito sa business na to, ayan, sorry, may nag-message lang sa akin. Sandali lang, dito ba si Ayan. So, guys, pag sasali ka dito, make sure na meron kang mapapasaling family member mo, okay? So, I'll get back to you guys. Meron lang urgent, but yun nga po. Ito po yung kailangan mong gawin. Kailangan kuha ka lang ng 2, pero family member sana mauna, and then let's get it on. So, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much. And I'm not finished. I just need to, just give me 5 minutes. Okay? Sorry. Just give me 10 seconds. Okay? Stop po muna yung sharing na to. God bless you all po at sa amin natutunan po kayo. Alright? So, stop ko muna yung recording.